What's up guys, in this video we are going to be replacing the door speaker on a Ford Taurus 2000. This should work for any Ford Taurus 2000 up until 2007, and you can do this on either the passenger side or the driver's side, and here are the steps to follow. So to get to the speaker, you first have to remove the door panel, and this is what the speaker looks like. So to remove the door panel, you first have to unscrew some screws that hold the panel in place. There are those two, then there's this one on the side, which is hard to get to with a regular screwdriver. There's two more on this side, as shown here, and there's two more in the bottom. So in total, about 7 screws to remove. You can also take out this door lock cover. It makes it easier to take out the door panel later. So to take out this screw here, I'm using a bit holder because I can't get a regular screwdriver in here. There are also these under the door handle. Then there are a couple more to remove on the side of the door panel. Finally, there are a couple more on the bottom door panel. Pretty straightforward. Once you have all the screws removed, you can start prying out the door panel itself. You can apply a little bit of pressure, but not too much. Be sure to work it around evenly. If you feel too much resistance, double check to make sure you didn't forget a screw to remove. Once all the push pins are loose, you can start taking out the door panel from the door handle and door lock. And don't forget to unplug the cables. There are 4 cables to unplug, as shown here. So with that, we should be able to see the door speaker. And there are 4 bolts to remove. So that's pretty straightforward, and then you can unplug the old speaker and then plug in your new one. And then the process to reinstall is just a reversal. So you plug in your new speaker, bolt it back in. Alright, once that's done, we can grab our door panel and start connecting the cables. There are 4 of them. Then you can grab the door panel and align it with the door lock and door handle, as shown here. Then you can start pushing in the push pins. Make sure it's snug. And then grab the screws, there are 7 of them, to screw back. And finally put in the door lock cap. And that's all there is to it.